What is going on, everybody? Back at it again with the new video. So today is August 2nd of 2021. Current time is 8:29 p.m. and so we're looking here at BTBT, and I was looking at it right here in the morning pre-market. And so this wasn't the stock I was really looking at, but I was looking at AGRI, but then it wasn't doing that much in the morning. But then I looked at BTBT. Reason why I was looking at it because of these trend lines I drew right here. So if it broke out resistance, I think it could keep on running, and I just drew some other trend lines to see if it could break down and then bounce back up. But right at the morning, it just opened up at like $8.98, so like right a little bit right there, and it had a lot of action right here in the morning, and so that's what kept my eye on it, because it had a lot of volume, and that's what I like to see. You could see the MACD right here and then volume pushing up. And so right around here I decided to buy, and then my risk was to cut at 10.13, and I got in at like 10.21 for 40 shares, and then it drops right down below. It goes to the low of 9.87, but that's like a little bit after. So it touches 10.13, but let's look at right here. This is let's look at it by the minute. So again, I get in right around here, and then I think it drops all the way to 10.07, and so that's where I look at. And my risk was to get out at like 10.13, but volume kept on pushing up, so I had a little bit more. I stayed a little bit more patient, and I kept on holding, and then so that made me more conservative for the future. And so during this trade, so at like 10.50, I placed an order right around like 10.42. I placed an order to sell at 10.50, and so I get executed at 10.50 for 40 shares, and it's like a small profit, like $11 or so. But eventually it does keep on running up and touches 11 right here, and then eventually topping out at that 11.25 level. So solid uptrend. I could have gotten in around like 9.83 or so, better positioning, so about like $1 a share, or even if I sold at like 11, that would have been $1.15. And so or even if you would have been more aggressive and bought right at the open. But that's just looking at that right there. But let's look at it, other opportunities where you could have got in. So let's look at 1 day, 3 minutes, so better time frame. So I would say you could have gotten right around like $10 or so, sold right here at like 11, that's $1 a share, or even right here at like 9.83, sold right here at like 11.10 for like $1.27 of spread. Gotten in right here at like $10 or so, sell at like 10.69, 10.90, or even 11. But I would say this one right here would have been a better opportunity, and then right around here too. So if you guys did learn something from this video, comment down below what you learned, like the video, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.